Maruti Suzuki Baleno launched in India in 2015 and received its first facelift in 2019. This was more of a nip and tuck job with a handful of cosmetic tweaks. However, the company recently took the wraps of the 2022 Maruti Suzuki Baleno. And boy, is it different from the predecessor. The new Baleno, though based on the same platform as before, gets a new design tenet, a completely new interior layout, and a raft of modern gadgetaries. Not only this, the Indian carmaker has also amped up Baleno's arsenal of safety features and retuned the suspension for improved riding comfort. But how different is the new Baleno as compared to the old one? Let's check it out. Starting with the design, the new Baleno has the same silhouette as before. The new model comes with a redesigned grille, new design for the LED projector headlamps with new DRL signature, LED fog lamps, a different design for the 16-inch alloy wheels and split tail lights with LED signature. All these changes makes the Baleno seem more contemporary as compared to its predecessor. Maruti Suzuki Baleno has the same dimension and cabin space as before. However, the changed angle of the rear windscreen has eaten into the boot space, reducing it from 339 liters to 318 liters. Maruti Suzuki, however, claims that this will impact the overall usability of the boot by a very small margin. While checking the interior and features, the new Baleno has an entirely new interior layout and the overall curvy theme of the previous Baleno has been replaced with a sharper design tenet. And while the previous model only had a handful of provisions such as 7-inch touchscreen, automatic AC, cruise control, etc., the new Baleno comes with a floating 9-inch touchscreen with Suzuki Connect suite for connected car features, a 360-degree surround view heads-up display, new panel for automatic AC, flat bottom steering wheel, high Suzuki voice assist system, rear AC vents, etc. These inclusions have made Baleno one of the most feature-rich premium hatchback in the country. The old Baleno had a dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, seat belt reminder, reversing camera, and speed alert system, while the new model has up to 6 airbags, electronic stability program, a 360-degree camera on the top end trims. Talking about the engine and performance, Maruti Suzuki Baleno previously was offered with a 1.2-liter petrol engine that used to generate 82 bhp with 113 Nm of torque as standard, while the smart hybrid variant had 88 bhp on tap. This power plant was offered with a choice between a 5-speed gearbox and CVT automatic unit. The new Baleno, however, uses the 1.2-liter dual-jet dual VVT petrol engine that now makes 88.5 bhp and 113 Nm of torque. This engine can now be had a 5-speed manual gearbox with a new hydraulic clutch. The automatic variant comes with electronic stability program and hill hold control.